Today's goal is to create a scoring system. This project consists of a banana and a monkey. So what we want to do is, when the monkey touches the banana, the score will add by 1. First, we need to create a variable to keep the score. So go to the left side and go to Variables tab. Click on Make a Variable. Set the variable name to score and click on OK. We can see that the score appears on the screen. It starts from 0. It is called as a variable because the value inside can change. Let's go back here. Under Variables, drag the Change My Variable by 1, and instead of My Variable, change to Score. And I would like to include one function, which is when spacebar is clicked, change score by 1. So go to Events and pick when space key pressed. Click on your spacebar on your keyboard. We can see that every time when I click on spacebar, the score will add up by 1. To set the score back to 0 when green flag is clicked, we can go to Events, drag the when green flag is clicked, and go back to Variables. Choose Set My Variable to 0, change My Variable to Score. Let's try and click on the green flag. Now the score is set back to 0. Since the goal of this project is, when the monkey touches the banana, the score will add by 1. This comes with the condition. Go to Control and drag if here. The condition is when the monkey touches the banana. This is under Sensing. Go to Sensing tab here. Choose the first block, touching mouse pointer. Drag it to fit this if block. Instead of mouse pointer, change it to bananas. This means that we are checking if the monkey sprite is touching banana. We would like to change score by 1. Let's drag this change score by 1 here. And to remove when space key press, just hold on it, drag it back to here and release to remove it. Let's combine this if to here. So when green flag click, set score to 0. If the monkey is touching banana, then change score by 1. Let's restart the game. We can try by dragging this monkey to the banana. We can see that the score is still remains at 0 because when green flag click, it sets score to 0 and this code only runs one time. After that, it won't always check. So we need to go to Control to get forever. We need to put the if inside this forever. This means that we are forever checking if the monkey is touching the banana instead of checking for one time. So let's combine this forever here. And now that we can click on Go button, we can see that the score is increasing, but it is increasing very fastly. So let's pause this. We can make the banana move around and bounce off when it touches the edge of the screen. So let's go to banana. This is how the code looks like. When green flag is clicked, the banana will point in direction 45 degrees and it is forever moving 10 steps, and if it is on the edge of the screen, it will bounce. Let's try. The banana now is bouncing off the screen, and whenever it touches the monkey, the score will increase, but this is still too large. So let's stop the game. Let's go back to monkey. We can delay the change score by 1 by adding a wait function. Go to Control, pick wait 1 second and put it here. We are forever checking if the monkey touches the banana. It will change score by 1 and it will wait for 1 second, then only go back to check if the monkey touches the banana again. This will make sure that the score only changes by 1 during the first touch between the banana and the monkey. Let's try this out. Click on green flag. The score is reset to 0, and whenever the monkey touches the banana, it increased by 1.